The Salt Gator easily cleans the undercarriage of all types of large fleet vehicles with a unique chemical application feature, powerful 24-inch wide rinse, and ergonomically designed handle. Use Salt Shield with the Salt Gator to reduce corrosive effects of magnesium chloride and calcium chloride commonly found in dust suppressants, road salts, and de-icers. Before you begin the cleaning process, make sure you have a pressure washer with a rating of 2.5 to 8 GPM. Ensure you have at least 11.5-inch clearance. Insert the desired metering tip and add Salt Shield to the chemical tank. Now let's begin. The first step is to connect the pressure washer hose to the Salt Gator trigger handle. Next, start the pressure washer. Step 3 is to turn on the chemical application. Squeeze the trigger handle and apply Salt Shield. Turn off the chemical application and begin rinsing with water. For optimal results, apply a second coating of Salt Shield. Go to Vertec Labs' online store to purchase the Salt Gator and Salt Shield. Thank you for watching.